The best part about me having a body camera is it's going to see everything.
On March 28, 2024, a warrant service became a contested use of force incident within 60 seconds. This analysis examines three decisive questions: whether the legal authority for the arrest was sound, whether the force used during the extraction was objectively reasonable under controlling precedent, and whether the officer's professional conduct met the standards expected of American law enforcement after a custodial arrest.
Hey, how you doing, miss?
Hey.
Are you Carissa?
Hi.
You got a warrant.
No, I don't.
You got two, actually.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yep. So can you hop out for me?
Why?
I don't know. Did you miss traffic or something? Miss court date?
Oh my god.
Yep. Here, can you hop out?
Yeah.
706 Caballes.
Here, open your window. Open it. I'm gonna break your window. Get out.
Get my car. I can't get it towed,
Sure.
dude.
Hop out.
Stop.
Hop
Don't
out.
fucking touch me,
Hop
bro.
out. Hop out.
Dude, no. What are you
Hop out.
doing?
Come on.
Stop.
Hop out. Get out of the
Why,
car. Get
bro?
out
Let
of the
go
car.
of me. What the
Okay,
fuck?
6. I'm 10-4. Can you roll me a second? I'm gonna have to see 195. Get out.
Dude, let fucking go of me, dude.
Out of the fucking car.
Fucking let go of me, you fucking faggot. Are you fucking kidding me?
Out of the car.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Get out of the
Dude!
Get out of the car now.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my fucking god, you faggots! You fucking faggots, dude! You're hurting my arm!
Quit resisting.
I'm not, you
You're under
fucking
arrest.
idiot!
Quit resisting.
Fuck you! Dude, let go of me! My fucking glasses, I can't see!
I need you, toy. You got one, I think.
A fucking warrant?
Yeah, it's 6
Are
up,
you
10-4.
serious?
Grundy County on seat. I got 195.
Bro, my glasses are gonna break, you
Oh,
fucking idiot!
Oh, get out.
Fuck you!
Oh, damn, you just got like
No, what the fuck
4
you're
or
doing?
5 felony charges.
I don't know about it!
Well, you do. I'm telling you now.
Fucking touch me!
You got room for her in your car for 2 seconds? I don't have a
Fucking
cage.
don't touch me!
Me either. Stop.
No!
Stop.
Can I pick up with?
I can't
You're
Wait,
just
Grundy County,
glasses!
Oh, we have them.
No,
Stop.
my phone!
Stop.
I need to call someone for my shit!
Yeah, I'm good. I got a
Stop.
second car with me. She's in cuffs.
No, why? Like, what the fuck are you
Can I
doing?
pick up for? I mean, 1014 on the day.
Well, you can worry about that later.
No, dude, what the
Nothing
fuck?
on you.
Get my glasses!
I will get them.
Dude, what the
Hold
fuck?
her for
You
a
guys
second so I
really,
can
like,
sew her phone down.
what the fuck?
That's crazy. You went from a traffic warrant to now you're getting aggravated
I didn't
battery
do
to a PR.
anything.
Fuck yeah, you did. You punched me.
I didn't punch you,
The
dude.
best part about me having a body camera is it's gonna see
Why are
everything.
you even doing that to me?
Because you're under
That's
arrest.
impossible.
You're under arrest.
I didn't know. Stop.
You did know, because I told you you're under arrest.
Just stop. I didn't. Please don't do that to me.
No, you're fucked. You are.
Road 56, North 40. 2118.
Dude, I didn't punch you.
Oh, fuck yeah, you did.
Where?
Right in the chest.
Key minutes at 911, guys. Tax filed, emergency. Verified the
Shit.
Well, you ain't getting them now.
What? Can you stop talking shit? You're a fucking bitch.
See ya.
You're a young little bitch.
See you in jail.
I didn't fucking do it.
listen, let me explain to you something, okay?
What?
Let me explain. Let me explain something to you.
What, bro?
I'm trying to do something,
I just...
okay?
Leave everything in your pockets.
As long as custody records are going to be a lot easier, okay? So just let me tell you something, okay? One way or the other.
hate you.
Listen. One way or the other, you're going to Will County, okay? So, okay, well,
Family.
right now, he doesn't have to let you call until you get to the jail. So if you start being decent, maybe he will.
I didn't hit him.
Okay. Well, just start being decent, okay?
I'm not doing you a single favor.
I'm not asking
Nothing.
you.
You're not calling no one, nothing. You got a cage? I'll put her in there.
God fucking damn it. I didn't hate you.
Fuck yeah, you did.
What's your name?
Come on.
What's his name?
It'll be on your felony arrest report.
Felony?
Fuck yeah.
Stop.
Sit down.
Stop. You cannot. Please.
Absolutely. You're
No.
probably gonna catch like 2 or 3 of them.
Stop. Please don't do that to me. Please. I have kids and I didn't hate you. Please. Stop. Please.
Appreciate it, dude. Sure was about to get Western there for a minute.
Well, I was trying to go the other way because I thought she was going to run from you.
Yeah.
So I was going to try to get in front of you.
She, I ended up pulling her out by her fucking pants. You see that?
Oh, I know.
Well, I reached in and she locked her door right off the bat. So I was about to bust her window out and she opened it. And then I reached in and the fucking fight was on, so.
I'll pull a report number for you.
Yeah, no problem.
But it's not going to be done until Monday.
No.
Well, sweet.
You must have been able to hear the fight on the fucking radio because everyone
I
on the
don't hear
goddamn
you.
brother was coming. No, I mean everyone else.
Oh.
Under United States versus Watson, 1976, an officer with knowledge of an active arrest warrant possesses full constitutional authority to effectuate a public arrest. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, independently authorizes the officer to order any driver from a vehicle during a lawful stop. The combined doctrines leave no constitutional question about the lawfulness of the initial command in this encounter. Once active resistance occurred, the use of force analysis is governed by Graham versus Connor, 1989. The Supreme Court directs courts to weigh 3 factors: the severity of the underlying crime, the immediate threat posed to officer or public safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting arrest. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in 20/20 hindsight. Applied here, the 3 factors point in different directions. The underlying crime traffic warrants was minor, weighing against significant force. The immediate threat factor is genuinely contested and turns on whether the body camera captures the alleged strike. Active resistance is clearly established by the locked door and refused exit. Some quantum of force was constitutionally justified. The question is proportionality. The decision to reach into the vehicle is tactically questionable under the Police Executive Research Forum and International Association of Chiefs of Police guidelines, which counsel maintaining distance and awaiting compliance. Tactical inadvisability, however, is not constitutional excessive force. The Graham standard asks whether the force fell within a range of reasonable responses, not whether superior alternatives existed.
Can I say, can I get a case number? File when you're ready.
It's going to be 2452, 2452. Go ahead with your file.
I got camera on. I reached in, the fucking fight was on. Throwing punches and fucking everything else. So misdemeanor fucking traffic bullshit. Yeah. So Alright, let me toss her car real quick.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm all good, dude. You alright just keeping her there for a minute?
Yeah. She wants her class.
So, I pulled her over, and I come back on here, she's got a couple traffic warrants.
Oh, okay.
So, I fucking told her, hey, no problem, I'll work with you, you got a couple warrants. She rolls her window up, locks her door. So I'm like, come on, just get out, we'll talk about it. So I get out, go to grab her, she fucking throws a punch. So I jump in her fucking car, she just fucking punched me in the chest and shit, so I ended up ripping her out by her fucking pants. So sorry if it sounded like crazy on the radio.
No.
I
I was down here at Markel freaking Drive.
Good. Was my radio going off?
No. I heard you. That's my report.
She's under arrest, so I'm just gonna run him anyways.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll stay and help you with what you need.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, but
I'll get all that done to pass my body.
all right. Sits. 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 Window. Yes! Come on! That's a good job. Good job, buddy.
That's like a boy. That's like a boy.
Come on.
Yeah, another great day out here. Yeah.
Fucking lady. How many? You want to help me toss this? She's got 2 fucking warrants. I walk up, she's all good. All of a sudden, she rolls the windows up, locks the fucking doors. So I'm like, just get out. Who cares, right? The traffic warrants.
Sure.
So she gets out. I'm not getting out. So I go to grab her. She fucking punches me, and then I jump in her car and the fucking fight. Thank you for putting it in fucking park, because I was pretty sure I was fighting her the whole time. The car was in fucking
I
drive.
was trying to get the keys out, but it's a push button.
3547.
Is there a trunk button or anything?
Huh?
Is there a trunk button or anything?
Drunk?
It's popping it there, but...
I don't fucking know.
County 706, check this out. 5. County 706.
Toss this. I'm gonna start a tow sheet. That way, get the fuck out of here.
Sure you don't get rid of
Yeah, appreciate it. Canine 6, who's the north and south supervisor?
Which one is it?
I don't even know.
It's going to be 149 truck.
I'll get him that 21. I'm kind of glad you pulled up. We'd still be fighting right here. That or it's about to be fucking...
I wasn't just gonna leave you. I'm not like that.
I don't know if I have this, guys. Oh, I do.
The subject's profanity and offensive language directed at the officer is protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal disrespect does not justify additional force and does not convert lawful resistance into unlawful conduct. By the same token, the officer's reciprocal mockery, while professionally inadvisable, does not by itself constitute a constitutional violation under controlling precedent. The post-arrest vehicle search rests on layered constitutional authority. Illinois v. Caballes, 2005, permits a canine sniff during a lawful seizure. Arizona v. Gant, 2009, limits search incident to arrest in the vehicle context to arrestee access or offense of arrest evidence. With the subject secured, the controlling authority shifts to inventory under South Dakota v. Opperman and Colorado v. Bertine. The arresting officer earns a C+. The arrest was constitutionally defensible, but tactical choices, post-arrest mockery, and casual narration of the encounter to a fellow officer fall well below professional standards. The subject earns a D-, active resistance to a lawful arrest, an alleged strike that the body camera will independently adjudicate, and repeated slurs converted misdemeanor exposure into felony exposure. 3 lessons emerge. First, outstanding warrants do not expire. Voluntary surrender produces release. Discovery during a stop produces arrest. Second, lawful exit commands under Pennsylvania v. Mimms are not optional. The remedy for an unlawful stop is in the courtroom, not at the roadside. Third, body-worn cameras record every participant equally. The footage adjudicates both officer conduct and civilian conduct alike. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.